first time I get the chance to label some of what they've done to me. Now, out of the whole library, when you're not allowed to use a phone, Turkish German sits in the corner, and what's the very first word he says? Kinder. There's no one in this fucking library. Do you know why? Because the Rheinbahn is on strike. Because they need enough space to get the construction done in time for Euro 2024. Every single person is a fucking killer. Dusseldorf Library is just, and that proves to me that they're killers as well. It's difficult to believe that you can create such an evil society, but they wanted to copy the Canadian model. It's the most murderous model I've ever seen in my life. And the way they do it is they target individuals. It's absolutely evil and they don't care.